Hi there! I've got a great tool to show you today. Introducing the FACOM MOD.55 metric and inch offset ring wrenches. Set in heat-formed tray. This set is designed for the serious professional, combining versatility and strength for all your automotive needs. With a range of both metric and imperial sizes, you are equipped for any fastener challenge that comes your way. The unique offset design gives you the access and leverage you need in those tight spots. No more struggling to reach those hard-to-get bolts. Crafted from high-quality chrome vanadium steel, these FACOM wrenches resist corrosion and wear, ensuring they stand the test of time. Plus, they fit perfectly into the FACOM modular storage system, keeping your workspace organized and efficient. Elevate your toolkit with the FACOM MOD.55, where precision meets durability.
Mr. Worker, work tools for professionals.